ASEAN should deal with China? That's a very good question. ASEAN is the largest trading partners for China. So it's not only that China plays important role for ASEAN. ASEAN has become and now is playing very important role for the overall Chinese economy, for its trade, for its industry, for its productivity as well as investments. So it's very important for China to keep this kind of constructive engagements with Southeast Asian countries. Three things that we have acknowledged. There has been growing exports of Chinese products floating to ASEAN countries. There also has been rising concerns over exploding inflow of Chinese workers into ASEAN countries. The third issue is that there has been growing concerns about digital security across ASEAN countries using Chinese applications. So I think to deal with those issues, it's very important. Let me convey this message very clearly to President Xi Jinping, to Chinese ambassadors in Southeast Asian countries, as well as to government officials and Chinese businesses across ASEAN countries. Let us propose three things. First, China should do voluntary export restrictions, particularly in products that have a direct competitions with Southeast Asian small, medium enterprises products. Products like footwear, garments, agricultural products, and other products that ASEAN small, medium enterprises have comparative advantage. The second proposal is that it's very important for China to open up market more for ASEAN's products. Products like agricultural products, seafood products, furniture, and other products that are produced particularly by small, medium enterprises that are needed by Chinese companies, by Chinese industries as procurement, as well as our product like resource intensive such as coal, palm oil, that Southeast Asia have comparative advantage and can produce at the very competitive prices. So it will help Chinese industries to grow, as well as it helps Chinese industries to move up to higher level value added. The third proposal is on digital. I think it's very important for China and ASEAN to work together on digital and AI governance, to work together on data, improving data privacy law and regulations, as well as cybersecurity. At the same time, it's also very important for China and ASEAN to work together on ensuring fair competitions between technology companies to ensure free entry for small and medium enterprises to get into digital and AI markets. The last but this is very important is people-to-people connections. I always receive a lot of questions how to improve ASEAN and China because it seems like China has been very concerned about the image of China from ASEAN's perspective. So I think it's very important for us to improve people-to-people connections because we believe to be able to have a stronger and much more constructive cooperations, everything should be based on the improved people-to-people connections. This message not only for China but all ASEAN's counterparts. ASEAN always uphold most favored nations treatments. ASEAN always respects our counterparts. ASEAN always want to have positive and constructive engagements. We want all countries to grow together as much as we want ASEAN countries to grow. So it is very important that our relations is based on mutual benefits as well as respect.